Hey guys, welcome. Need to transfer and send your money from your Zen account to a bank account. Whether it's a local, SEPA or SWIFT transfer, this guide will assist you. So firstly, log in into your Zen.com app on your device. On the main screen, tap Zen Mascot, then select Transfer. Select the currency you wish to transfer. Choose the appropriate transfer type as well. Firstly, local transfer for domestic transfers within the same country. Then SEPA transfer for Euro transfers within the SEPA zone, and SWIFT for international transfers outside the SEPA zone. And after that, you just need to enter your recipient's details and account information. Firstly, it's IBAN, the recipient's international bank account number, and when applicable, and if he has or they have it, BIC or SWIFT code. Enter the amount and a reference for the transactions. Review any fees and processing times displayed, and after verifying all details, confirm the transfer. Also, please note that once confirmed, transfers cannot be edited or cancelled. And that's how you send money from Zen account to a bank account. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides. And of course, if you want to check out some more info on this topic, check the description. Thanks for watching.